Hi, friends. How are you? Guess what time it is? It's story time. Before we start our story time, I wanted to review some of the numbers that I have here on my wall. Do you see my numbers back there? So, Miss Charles is going to point to some of the numbers and I want you to say what they are, okay? All right, here we go. 9, 1, 3, 7, 5, 4, 8, 2, and 6. Very good, friends. Very good. All right, let's sing our story time song. Are you ready? All right, here we go. It's time for a story. It's time for a story. Open up, open up. It's time for our story. It's time for our story. Open up, open up. So today we're going to read a story that we've read before, and you guys really enjoyed this story, and I love it too. It's one of my favorite stories. Miss Charles has so many favorite stories. So our book for today is Duck on a Bike. We love that story, don't we? Duck on a Bike by David Shannon. Duck on a Bike. How does Duck look? Yeah, he looks excited, right? And happy, like woohoo. Do you have a bike at home? Have you been able to ride your bike if you have one? Duck on a bike. Friends, you know what those are? Those are the streamers for the bike that on the handlebars. Oh, title page again. Duck on a bike. One day, down on the farm, Duck got a wild idea. I bet I can ride a bike, he thought. He waddled over to where the boy parked his bike, climbed on, and began to ride. At first, he drove very slowly and he wobbled a lot, but it was fun. So there goes Duck riding on that bike. See his feet on the pedals? Those are the pedals down there. Sorry, Miss Charles, holding the book. Right here, the pedals. See, Duck has his feet on the pedal, and he's riding the bike. And we know it's a bike because it has two wheels. A bicycle has two wheels. A tricycle has how many wheels? A tricycle has three wheels, but a bicycle has two wheels. Duck rode past Cow and waved to her. Hello, Cow, said Duck. Moo, said Cow. But what she thought was, a duck on a bike? That's the silliest thing I've ever seen. Then Duck rode past Sheep. Hello, Sheep, said Duck. Bah, said Sheep. But what she thought was, he's going to hurt himself if he's not careful. So Sheep was showing that she was concerned about Duck riding a bike. Duck rode. Duck was riding better now. He rode past Dog. Hello, Dog, said Duck. Woof, said Dog. But what he thought was, that is a mighty neat trick. The dog was impressed by Duck. He was like, wow, Duck, how do you do that? Then Duck rode past Cat. Hello, Cat, said Duck. Meow, said Cat. But what she thought was, I wouldn't waste my time riding a bike. You see, Cat, she's licking her paws. Duck pedaled a little faster. He rode past Horse. Hello, Horse, said Duck. Nay, said Horse. But what he thought was, you're still not as fast as me, Duck. You see you see Horse's face? He has a slide. He's like, you're not better than me. Duck rang his bell as he rode toward Chicken. Hello, Chicken, bring, bring, said Duck. Cluck, cluck, said Chicken. But what she thought was, watch, watch where you're going. She's yelling at Duck. Like, Duck, you need to be careful. See that? Then Duck rode past Goat. Hello, Goat, said Duck. Nah, said Goat. But what he thought was, I like to eat that bike. Look at the goat, friends. He's eating all of the trash in the garbage can. Duck stood on the seat and rode past Pig and Pig. Hello, Pig, said Duck. Oink, said Pig and Pig. But what they thought was, Duck is such a show off. They were like, he's such a show off. That means he thinks that he's better than them, friends. He's like, look, I have a bike and you don't. But that's not what he was doing. Then Duck rode no hands past Mouse. Hello, Mouse, said Duck. Squeak, said Mouse. But what he thought was, I wish I could ride a bike just like Duck. You see the little mousey down there? Sorry, friends. See the mouse? And Duck waving. Suddenly, a whole bunch of kids came down the road on bikes. They were in such a hurry they didn't see Duck. They parked their bikes by the house and went inside. See all the kids riding? Now, look at the animals. They look like they are inquiring. They have an idea. They're like, What do you think their idea is, friends? What do you think it is? Now all the animals had bikes. They rode around and around the barnyard. This is fun, they all said. Good idea, Duck. Now all the animals are riding on bikes. That is funny. Even the horse. Then they put the bikes back by the house, and no one knew that on that afternoon that there had been a cow, a sheep, a duck, a cat, a horse, a chicken, a goat, two pigs, a mouse, and a duck on a bike. Look at Duck looking innocent, like, I didn't do anything. And there's the tractor. Oops, Miss Charles has to fix her book. It says the end. So, friends, like Miss Charles said, do you have a bike? If you have a bike, what color is it? Do you know how to draw a bicycle? Miss Charles is going to show you how to draw a bicycle, okay? And now you know I'm not that great of an artist, but I'm going to try my best. So here's my little paper, okay? So first, I'm going to draw one circle here. I'm going to connect it, a line, and draw one circle there. And then I'm going to draw a seat for my bike. And then I'm going to draw two handlebars. Can you see that, friends? I don't think so. Hold on. Let Miss Charles get a marker. Thank you for being patient for me, friends. You are so kind. Okay. Here I go. I'll try it again. So I have a circle. And then I'm going to draw a long line. And then another circle. Okay. See that? Now I'm going to draw the seat in a straight line, and I'm going to draw another circle at the top, and then I'm going to draw another line, and I'm going to make the handlebars, okay? And then I'm going to draw the petals down here. One petal on this side, and one petal on that side. And that's Miss Charles's bike. Can you draw a bike? Why don't you go and draw a bike, and then you can show it to me when I call you this week, okay? All right, friends, I hope that you have a great rest of your day. I miss you. Talk to you soon.